clean your tools day at my house. I don't know what it is at everyone else's house, but here we go. Hi guys. So today on Hair Elegance by Dina, I first of all just wanted to start out and say, how are you? Because Corona is bringing everybody down, and I know it's a huge pandemic and everything, but I just wanted to say hi and how are you? If you ever need to talk, message me. I am available. Today I'm going to be cleaning some of my tools here. I already started on this one, and I just used rubbing alcohol and a cotton wipe, and I cleaned it, but I still see a lot of residue on here that I'd like to get rid of. And this is usually just from the products that you put on your hair before you're flat ironing or curling your hair. So I'm going to work on this, and I'm going to show you some of the supplies you're going to need. Okay, so I have some baking soda in the bowl and just a Framar brush. I'm gonna pour some hydrogen peroxide in there. I'm not gonna measure because I just kind of want to make a paste to get the rest of the gunk off of one of my curling irons. And like I said, I've already used just plain alcohol and a little cotton swab, so that's pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to make a whole video just showing you how to do that. So yeah, this is my paste. You don't want it super watery. You want to still keep a lot of that grit in there. So this looks really good. So it's gonna look something like that, and it's gonna kind of stay on the brush. So it's not gonna fall right off. It's pretty thick. Like that falls off, but I have to kind of tap at it a little bit. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my curling iron. It is off, so please do not have your curling irons on while cleaning them. I'm just gonna kind of lather this on here and get it in the clamp too, all over the clamp. You can put it all over, everywhere really, the metal. Get it in here, because even inside it was like, I don't know if you can see that, but it was really gross in there. So I'm just gonna get it everywhere. As much as possible. There, I've covered most of it that I can tell. Okay, and now since this is really like stuck on gunk, even though I clean it pretty often, I clean them like maybe once a month. I don't use this iron much at all, so I really just clean them when they need it, but I clean my regular ones like once a month, sometimes once every 2 weeks. Okay, so now that's on there, and I'm gonna leave this for about an hour and do the rest of them. Okay, so it's been over an hour. It's been maybe an hour and a half since I let this sit on, and you can see it's like super kind of dried out. It'll just like come off. You want it to be mostly dry, and you could always spray it with a water bottle filled with hydrogen peroxide. So I'm gonna use a cotton swab and put a little hydrogen peroxide on there so we can see how much stuff comes off. Just wipe it off once, kind of lightly, and look at how much came off. I don't know if you can see it with the light. Let me see how much came off just from that, and I've already cleaned it once with alcohol, so I'm gonna clean the inside. Ooh, yay. And that's even more on the inside there. And I'm gonna flip it and Just try to wipe off all the extra. There's a pretty big chunk in here that I kind of want to try to get that off. And if I can't, I can always try to remove the bar, the handle. And take this off later. I'm not going to do it now, but I'll at least remove that. But it actually looks like it all pretty much came off, so I'm actually really happy with this. Okay, so this is our little cotton swab. You see how gross it is, and that was after cleaning it once. So now I'm gonna throw that away. I'm just gonna use a dry one now and wipe the rest of it off. There we go. Wow, it looks like a brand new iron. Now I've had this iron maybe 15 years, and I don't know if you can see how good it looks, but let me turn the lid off. Can you see how shiny it is? There's like no residue at all on it. So then I'm just gonna take this and see all that in there. I wanna try to get some of that off if I can. Oh wow, look. So then I'm just gonna keep wiping. And the majority of this is coming off really easily. Look how good that looks. So this is all just product that kind of gets baked on. But if you have a pretty good iron that's not coated, it needs to be full plated, this will come right off. Okay, this is wonderful. So then I will just put it back together. You gotta align the holes. And put that back. I will do that later. So guys, that's it for my how to clean your iron video. I think it looks pretty good. And I use the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide method after trying the alcohol method, which I typically use, but I really like the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. If you need to talk, let me know. Just let me know what you're doing, because I'm bored. I've done a few puzzles, I've made baby blankets, I'm cleaning like crazy, I did the front yard, I mulched, I landscaped, so yeah, let me know what you're doing. I hope you're doing well, and I'm thinking about you and praying about you, and if you have time, please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you, bye.